it's a baby cat. Oh, wait, we gave for you food. You want food? Oh, she's hungry. Your mommy, you're hungry? You want food? We don't have food. Oh, itong isa o lumapit. Oh my God, my love, look, this old cat is coming to me. Oh, you give also for this. You know, si cute, kawawa. That's mama cat. Oh, they eat bread. Give to the little one. Oh, have another one. Look. Yeah, you give my love quickly because they are hungry. Give to this one. Come here, mommy, now. Oh. Oh, they're afraid to that one, you see?
Come here.
Come here, mommy. Oh, he's afraid. Mga pusakal pero cute ba? Ito oh, ang cute oh. My love, it's cute this orange, right?
Fuck. Hang on. Eat all. Hang on.
Eat all?
Ay, tumingin ko.
Your mommy, come here.
Okay.
They are afraid. Come here. They are in the middle of the road. Come here, mommy. They eat, but they are afraid. Eat, mommy, eat. Oh. We don't have a cat's food. So poor. Kawawa si Muning. I told you we have to buy a cat's food. Give for them. Have some store over there. Because everywhere they have a cats, my love. They are hungry.
Oh.
He's so cute. Can you touch? I think you can touch him. You think?
Don't. Don't.
Where you go? Kawawa naman yung mga pusa. Ang cute ni Muning. Oh, what is the name of this, my love? Beach resort? Neptune. Is a Neptune, not Jupiter. Neptune, guys. Hindi Jupiter, ha. Every area may pangalan yung ano nila. Beach resort. Kasi autumn na. Ang ganda dito. What is that, my love? Is a swan? It's a park at the same time. You know, my lady. Ang ganda dito. May namimingwit. Ay, look, the swan. Wow! Ayan sila. Wow! Food. I think it's better you bring some more food, you know, bread. My love, do you have a number? May number sila, oh. Ang cute. Yeah. It must you bring more bread. You give for them. Ang cute nila, oh. If you give for them bread and they coming. No, it's okay. It's not every time you give. They are coming, you see? They are asking of food. Ang cute nila. Where? Yeah. Well, everybody's going there, you see? Because they know that have food. Give for them food. Oy. Yan, oh. Alam nila na pag may magbibigay ng pagkain, lahat yan pupunta doon, oh. Katulad yan, oh. Oh, pumunta naman sila doon, oh. Oh, lahat. Ang cute nila. My love, wait, we go like that, we go round. And then we go into that, I think, how bridge or what? Hmm? Punta naman tayo dito sa kabilang side. Dito tayo. What's the other side here? Ang mga hotel yan. Ang ganda dito. Tsaka wala masyadong maraming tao, hindi crowded. Ganda. Doon, oh, water lily. They are taking a fish. Wait, can I go there? I want to see that water lily. It's a water lily. You go there. Where we go? We just go there a little bit and then we go there.
These people the fish. What you want to see?
Just want to see what's something there. They have some water lily. Look. Let's go if you don't want. Get us. Hagdan.
kind of plastic, though?
I don't know. Tinatapon nila dito yung mga plastic. Oh.
You make picture to the trash.
Sarado yung mga ano, market nila, tindahan. Pero pag summer to bukas, kasi maraming mga tourists. Lang katao-tao. may mga tao ng pag summer. Ano yan? Romanian flag. Municipal of Mangalia. Municipal, right? They said municipal. 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 In Philippine, municipal. Yung municipality. Ayan na naman. Ako po. Ang dagat na to sobrang lamig. Tinatanggal nila itong mga ganito. Umbrella ba yan? Ano ba yan? Tapos, pag summer, nilalagay nila yan. Naku, punong-puno talaga to ng tao. Doon kami sa kabila kanina, doon banda. Ngayon,